Hello, I'm Ananya and I'm a second year medical student, and right now with me I have e-Gurukul notes. So let's get started. So firstly, let's start what we have in there. We have pathology module 1. We have pathology module 2. We have pharmacology. And we have microbiology. So let's start. So let's start with pathology. Firstly, we have pathology module 1, in which we have general pathology and a few topics from systemic pathology. When I personally went through these notes, I thought that these weren't enough, and I went through the other books as well, other standard books. But again, after reading standard books, I realized that these notes are actually concise and to the point, and these are what the examiners are looking for. They're not looking for stories or many long explanations, but they're looking for the concept that has actually made way through your mind. So that's the first part of pathology. So let's start with the second part of pathology. So right now I have my pathology module 2 with me, and this module usually has the systemic pathology. What I liked the best about these notes was they have the histopathology pictures as well as the labelings, and I've seen very few notes with them. So it's important that we realize that what is exactly in the histopathology slides. Many of us, when we see histopathology slides, it is difficult for us to recognize and understand what the cell is, what the histopathology finding would be. But in these notes, it's easier and it's very helpful. So that's it for pathology module 2. Now let's start with pharmacology. Right now this is pharmacology module. It is only one module for us, and when I went through these notes and I went through other standard books, be it foreign authors or be it Indian author, all the concepts were really vague and they were very difficult to understand. It's a lot of information, and about one drug I have to go through a lot of concepts to understand it. But in this, there are mnemonics, which is one of the very best points of these notes. And secondly, there are flowcharts, easy to understand mechanisms. There are every drug explained nicely, and that's something you need in your exams. Now next we have is microbiology. This is the microbiology module, and I know this is one of the subjects we did not study a lot, but after going through this module, all the pictures and all the easy concepts, I have honestly grown some love for microbiology. I'll show you these modules because in the standard books what we have a lot of concepts and paragraphs, and this is something which does not catch our interest. But in these notes, these are beautifully handwritten notes, and you can just go through them one day before your exam. You know that you have to go through it, revise, and that's easy to go, and it's easy to go through the notes than going through all the books. Now let's talk how I'm going to use these notes. What I preferred was watching the e-Gurukul videos along with the notes and making all the extra points in the notes as well. Other than that, you can go through all the standard books and all the extra books you have and make the slightest of notes in them. Most of the things are actually covered in the videos and in the notes, so it's very few concepts or pointers you'll need to write down here. Thank you e-Gurukul for these notes.